In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to your Etsy account for the year 2025. This process is essential for Etsy sellers who wish to receive payments efficiently and securely through Payoneer. So, if you're ready to streamline your payment setup, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is check your eligibility. Visit Etsy's official website and log into your account. Ensure that your account is in good standing and that you meet all necessary requirements to connect a payment method like Payoneer. Eligibility might also depend on your geographical location and the active settings on your Etsy account. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with Etsy's policies on receiving payments just to be sure everything is in order. Once your eligibility is confirmed, proceed to the Etsy homepage. From there, look for the Shop Manager link, which is usually situated at the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and this will take you into your shop's management area, where you handle all your shop's operational activities. In your Shop Manager, the next destination is the Finances section. You'll find the Finances tab on the left-hand side of the page. Clicking on this will give you an overview of everything finance related about your Etsy shop, from sales to upcoming fees. It's the cornerstone of managing your shop's monetary aspects. With the Finances section opened, navigate to your payment settings. This area is where you set up how you will receive your earnings from Etsy sales. Clicking on Payment Settings will give you access to various options related to payouts and the management of your income preferences. Within the payment settings, if you're eligible, you should see an option that says Enroll Now. Clicking this option initiates the process of enrolling and receiving payments through Payoneer. Don't be hesitant to take a moment here to review any terms or conditions that Etsy might have updated regarding payment processing. Clarity is key, and making sure you understand each step helps smoothen the process. Finally, you'll get to the Add Payoneer account step. Here you'll be prompted to input your Payoneer account details. Carefully enter your information, ensuring that there are no mistakes, as any errors would affect your ability to receive payments seamlessly. If you don't have a Payoneer account yet, you can quickly set one up through their official website before completing this step. After confirming your Payoneer account details, save your settings and you're good to go. Congratulations! You've now successfully connected your Payoneer account to your Etsy shop. It's important to verify the connection by checking any confirmation emails or notifications from both Etsy and Payoneer. Keeping an eye on your account will ensure that your payments are processed correctly. Thank you for watching and happy selling.